Hi there, Namaste. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. So there were some requests to create a video on this topic. How do we sleep well? How do we ensure we get good, restful, sound sleep at night? Here are a few things I recommend you can do which will really help you sleep well, and we know why this is so important. If you get good sleep at night, you will wake up with more power, energy, strength, and this is something that we need to ensure we are able to complete our tasks well, we are able to think well, we are able to make right choices, we are able to do our work in the most productive and efficient manner possible. The first thing I recommend is please ensure that you do a few things to start your day right. Why? Because the way you start your day is the way you will end up ending your day. So, to make your morning really productive and powerful, I recommend you include some kind of physical activity in the morning. What this does is it will ensure that you wake up and start your day with the right energy. This will ensure that you start your day with good, positive, powerful energy, making you feel energized, fresh, fully awakened at the level of the mind and body as well. So include some kind of physical activity. It could be stretching for a few minutes, it could be yoga, it could be even walking or jogging, but some kind of physical activity morning itself will ensure that you spend the rest of your day with more energy. And when you spend your day with good, positive energy, feeling good, you will end up also sleeping restfully. The second thing I recommend is please ensure that you make a list. This must contain all your necessary tasks for the day. If you do this in the morning itself, you can throughout your day refer to this list. What this will do is it will ensure you're on track throughout your day for all the necessary tasks that need to be completed during the day. When you complete your tasks and come to bed at night, there is a sense of satisfaction. There is a sense of peace and equanimity that you will experience. Otherwise, even while you are about to go to sleep, even though you want to sleep, you're tired, but you see your brain will continue to stay active because of these pending tasks, because of these incomplete and pending tasks. So ensure that you stick to your tasks for the day, you complete them, and then you will be able to sleep very restfully and peacefully at night. The third thing I recommend is, as far as possible, don't convert your bedroom into your office space. The bedroom should only be used for sleeping. Otherwise, the mind continues to stay active even as you are sleeping. Our bedroom, our office, our work carries certain level of energy. Similarly, your activities you do at home, even your home itself carries some energy. Don't mix the two as far as possible. Keep a separate space, any other corner of the home where you can sit and do your work, then that will help you to sleep better, that will help you to feel better when you come to your bed at night. It will allow you to sleep well, it will allow you to sleep peacefully, which is what we really need to get sound sleep. Next thing I recommend is more than a practice, a mantra. This mantra is called I let go, I let God. Many times, as you are looking back at your day, you will realize it did not turn out very well. There could be days when really nothing special happened. There could be days when things did not go your way. Maybe things happened that left you feeling disturbed or upset in any way. If you simply adopt this mantra and this practice of joining your hands and repeating, I let go, I let God, what will happen is you will not allow the burden of that day and whatever happened to stay with you as you are sleeping. You will empty that burden. You will give that burden to God and the universe. What this will do is it will allow you to sleep well. What this will do is it will give you a sense of lightness. It will empty your mind and you will sleep well. You will also wake up feeling much better. You will wake up feeling more energetic and positive. I hope you enjoyed these little tips. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and like and share this video with others. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.